This is my line mount. I use these to lock it onto the line, and I have this facing towards me, and that's what you're going to see. This is on my lines on my kite, and so I'm going to show you what kind of video this, you know, $89 camera will shoot. It's pretty amazing. I mean, it's almost, I think it's as good as a GoPro, tell you the truth. So anyway, I've got to get the card out, pop it out of here, card's in here, pop the card out, right? We'll put her in our little adapter here. I'm going to shove it in the computer, and then we'll see what kind of video we got. And you guys can make a judgment whether you think this camera is worth the money. All right, so anyway, here's the video. That's me crashing. Let me move it over so you can see. Yeah. So anyway, this is the video here. I just made a timeline, and I'm going to show you guys how excellent this video is from this itsy bitsy camera. At the bottom, I'll put a couple links so that if you guys want to buy this thing, you might be able to get it as cheap as 56 bucks. It's just as good as this, you know, $300 GoPro Hero 13. I mean, this thing is super heavy, and so it's hard to put on my lines. This thing's much lighter, and it shoots almost as good a video. I think it's, you know, the only thing is you don't get that stabilization with it, but, you know, you lose that for the price. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.